Hello everybody, this is Bulbasaur Denmark, and today I have an HS Triumphant blister booster pack to open for you. Let's get it opened with my mortar on the front. So here we are. So it's 3 and 2. We have a Carvanha, Psyduck, Aron, nice card, Pidgey, Ponyta, Lairon, Aggron maybe, Marowak, Kangaskhan, versus Marowak, uncommon, and the rare, a Magmortar. Nothing too great, but at least a Magmortar out of a Magmortar pack. I was wishing for at least a holo, but it's alright. Thank you, at least I don't have this card yet, so thank you a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Also, I would like you all to go in and make a comment on each of my videos, and the first 5 to make a comment on each of my videos will go into a lottery. You make a comment with your name and that's enough. Then I'll check in a couple of weeks, see okay who was the first ones, or how long time it takes, and the first 5, they will be drawn out. One of them who will get some special cards. You will get one EX card, one Level X card, one Prime card, one Legend card, along with one base set card, base set holo, and I might throw in a booster pack on the top of that. So thank you a lot for watching, and please go in and make a comment on all of my videos. This gives me some more views, but at the same time it's supposed to be a small competition here. So thank you. Bye.